To know MVB, you really have to know our purpose and values and our what I'll call Mars shot. So our purpose is to be a trusted partner on the financial frontier committed to your success. There's three pieces to that purpose statement. One, trusted partnerships. Two is the financial frontier. And three is commitment to your success. So we also have five values that drive us every day for that purpose. And the first three values tied to trusted partnerships, and we call it love, trust, and commitment. Before you started to look at this video, I can tell you that you asked yourself three questions, especially if you were thinking about investing in MVB or wanting to learn more or partnering with MVB. Can I trust this guy? Does he care? Is he committed? And if you look at any trusted partnership, it has to have those three elements. If you don't have them, then you're not a trusted partner. You may be a partner, but you're not a trusted partner. So the financial frontier, of course, is fintech, and it's really has changed in the past year with the pandemic, et cetera. And that's our fourth value that we tie to that part of our purpose statement, and that is adaptivity. You must be able to adapt to this new world or you will die. Charles Darwin said it best. It's not the smartest, it's not the strongest of the species to survive. It's the most adaptive. I think MVB has been extremely adaptive in becoming the new financial institution that the world needs today. And the last part is commitment to your success. And the commitment to your success, we use the value of teamwork. Just like it takes a village to raise a child, it takes a team to be successful for the four constituencies that your represents. And the your is our shareholders, our teammates, our clients, and our communities. We want those four constituencies to be successful, and we use teamwork to do that. That drives us to our Mars shot. Some people call it a moon shot. We call it a Mars shot, our big, hairy, audacious goal. And that's to have a positive impact on the lives of 1 billion people. And so when you look at that, that sounds insane, right? Especially for someone in the United States where there's 300 million people. Yes, we do want to go international. We do have some international clients today. We also have some investments in some fintechs that have international aspirations as well. But that's what one of the things we're happiest with on results. We have become a banking as a service bank, and our biggest client right now is Credit Karma. Within 20 years, it took us to open 20,000 accounts. When we signed on with Credit Karma, who is a marketing juggernaut, we opened up over 4 million accounts within 18 months. Our life has changed dramatically. That's what inspires us to say, hey, we can do this with a number of clients that touch and positively impact the lives of a billion people. We also created something called Edge Ventures. Edge Ventures, we call it Edge Ventures because we want it on the edge of the organization. We don't want it in the middle of the bank. And the reason we don't want it in the middle of the bank is bankers, we know that we are very risk adverse. We're risk managers. That's what we do. But the bottom line is that we call it Edge Ventures. We want it on the edge so that the immunity, the immune system of the bank doesn't kill these new organizations that we want to develop and go on. Some of those new organizations that we like in our new tech initiatives, one is called Grand. Grand is a digital bank account. It will service a number of people, not only in the gaming industry, but we believe in cryptocurrency, potentially in cannabis, and other industries that are very positive for us that will make the cost of these transactions a lot cheaper and a lot less friction. We also have a company in Edge Ventures called Flexio. Flexia is a company that is bringing casino floors cashless. We have a large position in gaming. We bank over 30 digital gaming companies in the U.S. and several that are abroad that do business in the U.S. The third company in Edge Ventures is called Victor. Victor is a banking as a service company. They're the ones that help scale companies like Credit Karma, et cetera, with banking services. We're also big into payments. We love payments. We wrap all this around our other companies that we acquired that have been great trusted partners of ours. One is called Chartwell Compliance. Chartwell Compliance is a 50-person compliance firm that has helped our company scale on the compliance front with really zero cost. And why I say zero cost is they are a consulting company that we outsource to fintechs and the likes. And so we neutralize the cost of compliance. We've turned compliance into a profit center versus a cost center. We've also done this with Palatin Fraud. Palatin is a fraud consulting company. When you're dealing with 4 million clients plus, and that's going to grow, and now we're the 21st largest bank in the country based on number of accounts, you'll have synthetic fraud. And it's something that we prepare for, and Palatin helps us defend that. And that's another group of strong consultants inside MVB that takes care of our client base as well as protecting MVB. And then our newest acquisition is called Travillian. Travillian is a software development, a group of software engineers that work with MVB as well as other companies. But Travillian will be our software engine, our software manufacturing company, so to speak. It will help us get more tech in our fin. We talk about fintech. We had a lot of finance in that. Now we're getting much more tech that I think will really escalate the value of MVB. And so we wrap all that up into honor compliance, to honor software development, to touch 1 billion people. You not only need good people, which we have, you also need great technology. And that's what we're developing and evolving with that, that's intro to MVB. If I can help you or talk to you, I'd be happy to do that. You can call my personal cell. It's 304-657-0396. Always happy to talk. Text or email me at lmazza@mvbbanking.com. Thanks for the interest, and look forward to talking to you one day.